This is the cordless MotionLED light from BTAG Innovation. The MotionLED's slim profile and fully integrated rechargeable battery provides market-leading agility and flexibility in the working area. The integrated rechargeable battery provides complete freedom of movement around the vehicle, and the fully adjustable stand enables estimators and technicians to quickly and easily position the MotionLED to analyze or work on both horizontal and vertical panels. It is easy to reposition, making it ideal for PDR technicians, allowing them to perform a higher quality repair. The MotionLED's slim and light design, combined with its easily adjustable construction, means any damage can be tackled accurately. Even positioning parallel to crease damage is an easy task. Working on angled panels like the fender, or horizontal panels like the hood or roof, the MotionLED's innovative ball and socket connector with bidirectional adapter comes into its own, allowing for infinitely adjustable positioning, greatly increasing damage visibility. For body technicians, the MotionLED provides great assistance in achieving a higher level of metal finish in the panel straightening process. It allows them to see exactly what is happening to the surrounding panel during the repair process and, through this, reduce the repair time. The possibilities in identifying damage and damage analysis are dramatically increased. With its wide light gamut, a larger area can be addressed. This leads to less missed damage, and means more work upsold to the customer. Using the MotionLED vastly increases damage visibility, allowing clearer pictures of the damage for insurance providers, resulting in increased labor time for the repair. With a series of independently controllable light strips, estimators and technicians can easily optimize brightness and warmth of light for a wide range of tasks and applications. The strips may be brightened or dimmed as required, each strip can be switched on or off, and can also be switched from cold to warm light. Here is the cold light function. And here warm light. And here 3 light sources at once, which gives a much larger viewing area. These functions give you different perspectives, depending on damage type, and your own preferences. An under-panel indicator shows whether the light is being charged, is fully charged, is running low on battery, or requires charging. The easy setup makes it a great system for mobile application. The extension arm for the MotionLED makes a great addition for inspecting a vehicle. You can simply push the light ahead of yourself to save time in the damage identification process. This means you always have the correct position and viewing angle in relation to the light to guarantee identifying all the damage on a vehicle. The extension arm may be fixed or can be folded. The arm can also be further extended. This is especially effective when working on roofs for estimating hail damage. BTAG's MotionLED light is supplied with the appropriate 120-volt or 230-volt charger and delivers up to 9 hours of working time from each 3-hour charge. The MotionLED will also function perfectly using standard mains power, or a 12-volt battery as its power source. Longer charging cords, and the connector to enable operation and charging from a 12-volt battery, are available as optional extras. This has been the Motion LED light from BTAG Innovation. Thanks for watching.